Hello guys, today we are solving the question 2 sum. It is the first question in the top interview questions list of Leetcode, and the question type is easy one, and the question name is 2 sum. So let's start. So it is saying, given an array of integers and an integer, return indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. So basically what it is saying, हमारे पास they will give us a integers as a vector, so like this 2 7 11 5, and they will also give an target that is 9 here. So we need to return the two indices, two position of the numbers whose sum is the target, like here 2 plus 7 is 9, right? And ये भी constant है कि there will be only exactly one solution like this. So we need to return the positions of these two values, and we can return either 1 0 or 0 1. Whether it is where it is written, you can return the answer in any order. So you got the idea of the question, right? So let's see an example, that is 2 7 11 15. What we are doing here, we will have an ordered map, an unordered map, int type. Okay, what we will do, we will iterate on this vector from 2 to 15 by the for loop, with the help of the for loop, and there will be an if condition, and this if condition will check. What we will do first, what we will do this with this unordered map, we will put this position of the values we already have, like first we will have 2, right? So we will do that up2 um2 is 0. We will just update the position of the numbers, like um7. So when I will be 0 for the first iteration, we don't need to check if condition, because this if condition will check whether target minus target, that is 9 in this example, target minus that value where this iteration is, that is 2, that is 9 minus 2 7, whether this 7 is already in this unordered map or not. So when we will be on first position 2, we don't need to check, but it will check, right? Because it is if condition, so it will check whether it is whether 7 is present or not, but it is not, so this if condition won't run, and I will be I plus 1 because of this for loop. Now the iteration will be on second position, that is 7. Now this if condition will check whether target minus 7, that is 2, whether it is already present in this unordered map or not. Yes, it is present. So we know the position of this 7 because I value, so I will be 1. We can return I in a vector, we can push back the value of I, and we can also push back the value of this 2 because we have this unordered map. What we are updating in this unordered map, that is the position of that value, that is 2. So we can return, we can push back v dot push back what, at up2, that will be 0. So we will have 1 0 in a vector. So let's see the solution part. So here it is the function name. It is, we have initialized that unordered map, that is hmap, name is and this vector, this is the answer where we will push back the answers. It is for the iteration on that vector, given vector. This condition is for the checking whether we have that target, this value target minus num already present or not. So if there will be that target minus num's value, we will simply push back the position of the first integer and that target minus num's position, and we will break this for loop. Break statement breaks the for loop, and it will be out, and we will return the v dot pushback. V is the answer. So if we don't get like in the first position, first place, when we will the iteration will be on 2, we won't have that 7 value, so it will simply update that 2 is equal to 0. So this is, so let's see what we have done. So it is the same solution what you have seen right now. So let's run this. So you can see. Thank you.